communication, data collection, and reaching new markets beyond our physical borders. At the outset, they may be unsettling, yet they have proven to be more efficient, accurate, speedy, and effective in providing real-time data as basis for developing products, services, projects, and programs that intuitively address people's needs and interests. Hence, as we embrace the future and its technological changes, it is essential that we highly consider developing and equipping our most important resource,